guys. Let's get up around here.
Hi. Oh, hi. Oh, do you do photos too? Yeah, and you can take your own. Do you want me to take any? Oh, okay, if you want.
Look at Mommy and Jenna.
Hi, guys.
Hi. Look at Mommy and Jenna.
Look here, buddy.
Look at Jenna and Mommy.
Here, look at my Thomas. Look at my Thomas, buddy. Ready?
Look at
Hi.
Thomas.
Look here, buddy.
Thomas.
One more time, guys. Hi.
You guys want to go get on the train? Get on the coaches?
If you guys want to stand behind the block, just so you're not as tall.
Look at, we're gonna take pictures.
Hey, guys. Look here, my Thomas again. Ready? Look here, buddy. Hi. You guys look right here. Choo-choo.
All right, let's go. Thank you. Nope, we're going for a ride now.
That's white right there.
Yeah, there's another one. There's balloons. You need to sit. You need to
You
sit.
can pull all that coat.
Who's gonna pull all these coaches?
Sit.
Thomas.
Thomas, the tank engine?
That's what
Yeah.
Yeah, he's pulling the coaches.
That's train balloon.
Train balloons.
That's right.
Yeah.
You're not gonna do that right now.
No, not right now.
Not right now, later.
That's right, later.
Can you wave? Can you wave hi? Are you ready for a ride?
Did you guys see Sir Toppin' Hat outside?
You want to go see
Thomas,
him
did
after?
you see Sir Toppin' Hat outside?
You want to go see him after the ride?
Can you show him pictures with where took with Thomas?
Goodbye, Henry! Goodbye, Henry!
Did you feel that?
We're going backwards. He's shunting us backwards.
Remember when we were looking on the webcam? These tracks over here are underwater. So that's why we're going this way.
We got lots of seats back here.
Are we moving, Thomas?
Remember?
Thomas in the back.
There's his whistle.
Did you hear him?